Peace be upon you viewers, I am Muhammad Mudassir. Today in MS Excel 2021, we will discuss the delete command. Our lecture today is about how you can remove a cell, a row, a sheet, or a column. Before starting the video, I would just like to say that if you learn something or pick up something new from this video, please do like and share it. So let's begin today's lecture. First of all, the command we have is regarding the command to delete a cell. If you find that you want to remove a single cell from your spreadsheet, you first need to click directly on that cell to select it. Next, you should navigate up and click on the Home tab located in the top ribbon and then move your cursor over to the cells group below. After you have done that, click on the Delete drop-down arrow and then select the option to delete cells. Finally, simply click the OK button in the dialog box and your selected cell will be deleted. Moving forward, we next have the command to delete an entire sheet row. If you decide that you want to remove an entire row from your worksheet, you will first need to click on that row to highlight it. For instance, if you decide that you want to remove row number 7 right here, then you will simply need to click on the delete row option and you will see that your row will be deleted. If you find that you want to delete an entire column instead, you first need to click on the specific column you want to remove, then navigate over to click on the delete drop-down menu, and right here you will find a specific command called delete sheet column. Once you click on that, your selected column will be completely removed from the sheet. Next, we have the delete sheet command. If you want to remove an entire worksheet, the process is simple. First, navigate to the top and click on the Home tab. From there, look for the cells group and click the arrow on the delete drop-down menu. At the very bottom of that list, you will find the command labeled delete sheet. Just click on that option and then click OK to confirm the removal. To show you how this works, let me first create another sheet right here. After that, let's try to remove a sheet. For example, if I want to remove sheet 3 from here, you need to click on the delete drop down, then click on delete sheet at the very end, and then click delete again. This will remove the sheet for you. So this was our lecture for today in which we discussed the delete command. If you found this video helpful and informative, please remember to like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming content. I look forward to seeing you again in the very next lecture. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Take care and goodbye for now. Allah Hafiz.